teknologi keuangan fintech
yang merasmikan Global Islamic Fintech 2019 di Kuala Lumpur.
This year we started with masterclasses, and then we had three main highlights, which one of them was Elmangos having an MOU with Earth as a sustainability partner for our global events beyond Malaysia, and also the Islamic Development Bank in Saudi Arabia signing an MOU with IEP Malaysia, which is aiming to help the vast majority in OIC countries in Africa. We had over 28 B2B sessions between small businesses and 3-4 governments, which 2 of them outside Malaysia. We had the opportunity this year to have Zakim. We had the Halal Finance Roundtable, a Halal Food Roundtable, which was very insightful. The crowd was very receptive. We hope that we keep the momentum of 2020 with GIFS and IDEX next year, inshallah.
This is an excellent event, an event that is definitely needed by all of our member countries and globally. We believe ICD platform to have the global Islamic digital to be the future. Throughout our 119 financial institutions, we're hoping to use the digital Islamic capabilities to reach out.
This event is of strength because of the collaborators that you have. And in fact, this is also not the first program that you have conducted. It shows that it is sustainable in a sense. It is highly important. It is actually embedded in our Islamic finance blueprint, which has also been introduced by our Bank Negara Malaysia and Security Commissions.
Islamic economy need to go to more new kind of technology. We need to develop together, just like creating Islamic digital community, not only between banks and industrial players, but also include international stakeholders as well. Halal market is very big and it's still growing every year. So there's a big opportunity for each of the stakeholders to produce halal service with a good quality to develop all the economy around the world.
I really understand now why this event has been successful last year and why it's even more successful this year. You still get the feeling that everybody gets a chance to cross-pollinate all of the ideas from across different industries. However, all within the framework of the Islamic economy. We just brainstormed about what are the ways with which we can make this event sustainable oriented. The first step from the organizer's side was that they didn't print brochures that people just simply throw away. They provided everything digitally. However, we wanted even to take it a step further and say that, okay, how about we become the first event in the world that accepts payment for the event tickets in electronic waste? We didn't know whether that would work because it has never been done before, but I'm glad to say that we launched it and there were people who actually came to this event who paid for half of their tickets with electronic waste.
We need to put the Islamic economy to be digitized together with all the movement in the world. All the panels is all the experienced people. They can talk about the focus, the methods that table today. We have something to throw the ball, then let the industry, let the players play the ball and to make it run smoother for future, inshallah.
Digitalization is definitely critical to accelerate the impact of VBI, and ultimately that is the objective of the bank. The first phase is to embed it in our culture, then the next phase is to accelerate the impact of the VBI to all of our targets.
The speakers that you've invited are experts in their own field, and I think the collage that has been created really will bring us to a higher level playing field. We rely on ICD's expertise in the area to be able to endorse us and share the model of the IAP to the various sovereigns to their various member countries.
Malaysia presents an ideal ground for us to present and see how the Islamic finance industry here react to our solution. While they are the leaders in Islamic finance, I found that actually there is some good reaction from the CEOs and the top managements of the banks that we met through the conference. And this type of conferences bring people from all different types of the world to this place to be able to share the experience, share knowledge, work together to come up with a solution that actually fit the purpose for everybody.
I thought it was a really good idea for someone to create a platform. It allows more meaning amongst the Muslims to be able to understand how to reach out to a non-Muslim demographic. Storytelling for Islamic digital economy as important as it is for anything else in the world. Businesses need to make their market feel something now. People need to make their markets part of them now. They need to create a connection. And that connection comes easiest with a story. And there are hidden storytellers in each of us. You just need to have the confidence and the belief in yourself to go out there and start sharing those stories. And then you will inspire other people to grow their businesses the right way.
So this is the first time that UNHCR participates in this event. It was actually very important for us to be a part of this system that would actually allow us to know more about what is actually happening now and what kind of technologies and partners that we could actually potentially use for the work that we do.